Okay, so we're on our way to Catalina Island and it's 7 a.m. Hopefully we can see if there's fog or not. I don't know. We have radar and then we're going to the isthmus. So we'll be staying there overnight. So we're the only ones here right now. I don't see anybody else. Oh, there's one boat. That's about it. So we have a couple of targets on AIS. It's like radar showing some targets. This one there. Headed towards us. Okay, I see a visual on many targets there. And there's one. There's one approaching there. There's several over here. They're not moving, they must be fishing. Yeah, quite a few. Guys, it's fast. There's that fishing boat there. And a bunch of fishing boats here. So we're clear. Okay, so we got fishing kayaks over there. There's that ship over there. Oh, there's a big ship right there. See that? Tanker. That's must be that one. This one. CPA. 1 mile. So it'll be 1 mile away.
Okay, this tug is underway.
Okay. Okay, that tug is underway. My goodness, there's so much traffic. So we're gonna keep an eye on the tug. A lot of seals.
Ramming speed.
Okay, there's another powerboat over there. The tug stopped moving. The powerboat is crossing. Lots of powerboats here that are not moving. It's a tanker over there that's not moving. I had no idea there would be so much traffic in this time of the morning. A lot of traffic.
Hi guys.
Okay, this guy is very close, fishing right next to us here. Avoiding this big ship here, and there's like dolphins all around me.
Hey Chris, you gotta see this up here. All the dolphins are swimming on
Oh, look at that. There's so many dolphins. It's funny because like I'm right next to this big ship. There's a dolphin right here, right next to me. Right there. They're chasing us here. Nice. We're so close to this ship. And it's super close here. Well, it's not moving. If there's another ship there, so I've got to come in between these two. so many things going on. We got two ships, dolphins, fog. Whoa! Moving! You hear that?
They are underway.
They are underway. Shoot,
I would give them a wide berth.
I am.
And I believe you give a force to.
I mean, my gosh,
You know what?
I had no idea what's underway.
Why don't you do a loop?
No, he's gonna go so fast.
I was possible to do a loop and let him pass. I think they're supposed to be 500 yards at least. Yeah.
That thing is underway, and I did not know that. I should have noticed the anchor. Big mistake of the day. Normally these tankers here are anchored, and just my luck, it happens to be moving at the time that I'm passing by. So this is moving, looks like around the same speed as we are.
When the Universe tankers used to come into Bantry Bay in Ireland, they had to start slowing down 100 miles out. Otherwise, if they slowed down too fast, they would rip the props off the shaft.
Uh-huh. Now, but what about
In terms
acceleration?
of acceleration, yeah, I'd say it would probably be at least. It depends. I would say probably a mile.
A mile?
Guessing. Yeah, a mile or two. I mean,
Because
it
he's
all
still
depends-
pretty
It
slow.
all
He's-
depends on the kind of horsepower that the motors have. You know.
It's kind of exciting because I've actually never encountered these ships moving here.
He is now turning away from. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn in behind him when.
south.
Okay.
Which
So now we're gonna go behind the big oil tanker here. That's exciting, man.
That's about as close as I want to get.
Yes, that. Well, I mean, it was hardly moving, but still, that was
Well,
kind of
once
crazy.
it started moving, the reality of the situation, thankfully you weren't in front of it.
You know, it's force of habit. You know, we encounter these tankers here all the time. Like, you know, they're normally anchored, and we pass by them like every weekend. And I did not notice that the anchor was lifted up, and then it started honking at us because it was underway. Wow, pretty scary. Okay, I guess we can go to full speed now. The other tanker over there better not be moving or we're gonna have a problem. Because we're gonna go in front of that one. Let's see on AIS. Okay, it's not moving. Tanker, close call. There's the tanker. Off on its way. That tanker is not moving. But you never know.
I got to clear that,
You never know.
that bat.
They could start moving.
Yeah, let me go.
That was exciting. It was like a near collision there. So this is going to be the title of the video. Near collision with the oil tanker. So there's our route here. There's us. And that's the little area here we have to make sure we don't hit.
Rob, did you
There's
by
that
chance
boat coming in there.
on, are you ready? On the phone or?
And then you're going to be in the traffic separation zone. And the radar is showing just that big target there. Which is a tanker. That's a tanker that's moving away. So let's just pre-look at the traffic separation zone here.
Container. I think my mic box is doing properly. Container, I don't see it.
And there's a lot of traffic going that way. Yeah, they're all going to be very far away by the time we get there. See anything yet, but I see a target. There's a target about a couple of miles away. Let's see. Could it be this one here?
Oh, I see one.
Yeah, that's the one. It's a tug.
Right here.
Where?
10
Yeah.
o'clock.
Okay. See? I could hardly see that. Okay, so radar is helping right now with the fog. So exactly 2 miles out, barely visible over there. I can see it on the chart. Yeah. So we have a target here. Target's gonna be CPA of 0.6 miles in 23 minutes. Okay, so that's us. And there's a target. This guy is getting closer, CPA 0.47, so it's getting closer to us. Okay, so there was a sighting of somebody over there, but I can't see it right now. And that party is not on AIS. That boat is not the one on AIS, so I can't see it yet. Somewhere out there is another target. There's a target at 11 o'clock.
That's point off the port bow.
That's the one.
Where?
Right
You're
there.
looking at noon. There's a target over here.
That was the one at
No, there's something else. We can't see it.
I can see it. I have an eyeball on her.
That is what was.
No, that is not an AIS target. There is an AIS target here. 0.44 CPA. Going 11.7 knots.
That's it.
No, it's 11 o'clock.
That's it.
Where? 11, not 12.
That's it. 11 o'clock.
I can't see anything.
Right there.
Ah, there it is. It's gonna be half a mile in 11 minutes. There's no other AIS target here. So there's the target, and we can see him right there, half a mile away. And he was on radar. So that's it. That's the last target. We can relax now. The sun came out, and there's the isthmus right straight ahead. And there's the west end of Catalina. So we're about 9 miles away. Just look at how calm this is. Completely flat water. Look at that. So there we are. Nice and sunny. We're about 4 miles away from the isthmus.
So what do people do for fun around here?
What we're doing right now.
Hey,
The
there's
nightclub is up behind the hills there. They get outrageous things that they can't do in the municipal area.
Hey, is that your boat?
Yeah, it kind of looks like that.